Hello, k-zee here, and today we're finding out ways how electric lawnmowers are useful. And this piece of paper represents how much I love the lawnmowers. So as you can tell, I really like electric lawnmowers. So this video is trying to make me not hate them as much.
Buy this product super quick. It's a thingy-majiggy. Buy it now. It's a steel cup bringer thingy. Just buy it now. It's real good quality. Just buy it and call some weird number. Insert weird number. I don't care. Just buy it. It's real good. I don't know where this is going. I don't know where. Buy it now. Yeah.
Hello, fellow humans. k-zee, are you sick and tired of being on a cloudy day in need of a thirsty glass of water? Wait no more. You got technical difficulties. You get a glass of water. Please buy this product. That actually kind of worked. Actually, and look, I already took one sip. Look, I actually got some water. Yeah, water. The reason why I hate electric lawnmowers, time to get to the reason why I did this video, because I really dislike electric lawnmowers. As you probably saw at the beginning. There's just something which I don't like about them. I don't know, them being electric or something like that. Yeah, so subscribe, like the video if you want, dislike it if you didn't like the video, and bub.